Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make money from the comfort of your own home using just your phone. Yes, you heard me right. You can make hundreds to thousands of dollars a day just by playing games on your phone. In this video, we'll show you the best gaming apps that actually pay you real money and how you can earn cash online. Now, if you're like most people, you love playing games. So imagine if you could get paid for doing what you love. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. We have proof inside that you can actually earn money playing games. So keep watching. But before we show you how, remember, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out and motivates us to create more videos like this for you. Do you want to earn money from home without needing to graduate high school or find a job? It sounds too good to be true, right? But there are several applications and websites that actually pay users real money for using them. In this video, we will show you 7 different apps and websites that you can use to make real money daily, right from the comfort of your own home. From gaming apps to survey sites, there are various ways to earn cash online. Let's dive in. Number 1, 1v1me, a gaming app that pays you to win. If you're a gamer, 1v1me is an excellent way to earn money. You can play games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, and your gaming skill is rewarded. The more wins you earn, the more money you gain. 1v1me displays all the games that are offered, along with potential payout amounts. When you challenge other players, the prize is yours alone. Depending on your gaming ability, you may expect to earn anywhere from $100 to over $500 each month using this platform. The app has top earners on their platform who have accumulated earnings of $20,000 to $50,000. So if you believe you want to earn money while spending time playing games, you should surely be using an app like 1v1me. Number 2. MetaFee, the ultimate platform for gaming experts. Are you an expert gamer with extensive knowledge of a particular game? If so, then MetaFee.gg is the perfect platform for you. It connects skilled gamers with amateurs seeking to improve their gameplay. The best part? You can earn a reliable source of income by instructing others on how to play games as you do. To get started with MetaFee, all you have to do is visit their website and click on Become an Expert. From there, you can register an account and generate a profile to promote to potential clients. MetaFee provides all the resources you need to be successful, including scheduling tools, payment processing, and a messaging system to communicate with your clients. JustPlayApps.com. Earn money by playing your favorite games. If you're simply looking to earn money by playing games, then JustPlayApps.com is the platform for you. It acts as a loyalty program for gamers, rewarding you for playing your favorite game consistently. The more time you spend playing, the more money you make in the end. JustPlayApps.com also offers additional rewards for activities such as referrals, leveling up, and participating in special events. The platform is free to use and the payments are made via PayPal or gift cards. Number 3. Prizes by Gaming. Prizes by Gaming is the best P2E games app on the market. This app allows you to earn money by completing various tasks, such as playing games, watching videos, and completing surveys. The app has paid out close to $2 million to its users, and they give away over $1,000 in prizes every week. You can participate in these giveaways and win hundreds of dollars for free. The app is available on both Android and Apple devices. If you use an Android phone, you can find the app on the Google Play Store by searching for Gamey Prizes. If you use an Android phone, you can find the app on the Google Play Store by searching for Gamey Prizes. If you use an iPhone, you can find the app on the App Store by searching for Prizes by Gamey. The app is also available on your computer or laptop by visiting their official site, prizes.gamey.com. How to make money with Prizes by Gamey. Now that you know about the app, let's discuss how you can make money using Prizes by Gamey. Follow these simple steps. Step number 1, download the app. The first step is to download the Prizes by Gamey app. You can do this by visiting the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device. If you prefer to use the app on your computer or laptop, visit prizes.gamey.com. Step 2, create your account. Once you have downloaded the app or visited the website, the next step is to create your account. You can do this by clicking on the sign in button and continuing with your Facebook account or signing up with your email. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to your dashboard. Step 3, collect 10,000 tickets. To earn money on Prizes by Gaming, you need to collect tickets. The best way to do this is by playing games. You can find the games section on your dashboard and there are various games to choose from. Play these games to earn the most amount of tickets. Once you have collected 10,000 tickets, you can start earning money. The more tickets you have, the more money you can earn. Step 4. Complete offers and surveys. In addition to playing games, you can also earn money by completing offers and surveys. These offers and surveys are provided by various companies, and you can earn money by completing them. The amount of money you can earn depends on the offer or survey. Step 5. Withdraw your earnings. Once you have earned money on prizes by gaming, you can withdraw your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings using various payment methods, including PayPal and Bitcoin. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Number 4. Color Hit. When you open this game, you will see the interface of the game. Now you just have to aim the matching color pins to the same color part of the circular board. So aim the red pin on the red part of this board, yellow pin to the yellow part of this board, and so on and so forth. If you miss the aim, the game is over. You have to complete 4 missions in every game to earn the most amount of points possible. A bonus tip is that when you complete any one out of the 4 missions, you will get an option to increase your tickets by 2 times, 4 times, or even by 6 times by just watching a simple 15 to 18 seconds ad. So, as you can see, we just got a chance to 4 times our tickets. We just have to watch this ad for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that, we can close the ad and the tickets will be credited to our account, which will be 4 times what we got from the mission. Play more and more games, complete as many missions as you can, and collect 10,000 tickets as soon as possible. Another example of a game is Space Traveler. When you open it, you will see that you have to land a satellite from one planet to another. This is our satellite, and we have to land it on another planet just like this. Just click on your mouse at the right time, and it will leave the current planet and travel towards the direction of another planet. If you aim it right, it is that simple to make money online by just playing games. When you complete the mission of this game, you can again get the multiplier, which will help you to 2 times, 4 times, or even 6 times your tickets. Just watch a simple 10 to 15 second long ad. Skip the ad once it is available, and boom, you will get 2 times, 4 times, or 6 times your tickets. We want to show you the other best ways to make money with this app other than just playing games. The first one is the Fortune Wheel. Here you will get the daily 3 to 4 spins for free, which you can spin one by one, and you can win different rewards like tickets, extra best time, and if you're lucky, you can get some cents or even $1 by just spinning this Fortune Wheel. The second best way is to earn tickets on complete autopilots by creating your team on the Surprises by Gaming app. You can easily win 500 to 5,000 tickets every single day by just creating your team on this app. The third best way is to log in every day, because if you log in 7 days in a row, you will get a wheel of cash in which you can win anywhere from 10 cents up to $100 by just spinning the wheel of cash and by just logging in every day. The last best way to earn money from this app is to come to the top of this website and click on the prizes section. Here you can win up to $10,000 in cash prize, and all you have to do is pick the numbers by clicking on this button. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning about how you can earn money by playing games. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and let us know which games would be your favorite. And also, make sure to check out our most popular videos above. We will see you soon in our next one.